Okay, I am straight up disoriented by what's happening at Ellis Island. Okay, that's the front yard. I'm very familiar with this venue. Delicious restaurant. There is a wall that's appeared. This is the karaoke. I try to stay away from here. This was all table games area. This whole... I'm so disoriented. So here's the Village Pub. Everybody knows that. Security is a little sketchy here on photography, but I'm doing it anyway, videography. So this wall runs the entire length of the casino, and the center bar is gone. I can't show the cashier that's back there, but this wall runs the entire length of Ellis Island. I cannot grasp what's happening. It's like sensory overload. The remodel underway. December 2. Oh my goodness. So they didn't tell me this. I am so mad at Ellis Island right now. They didn't tell me any of this. Where is my damn sandwich restaurant? Where's Via Focaccia? That's what I have for dinner. It's back here somewhere. So this is high limit. You know, it's an adorable high limit, but still. I am so lost and confused. And I don't think I'm having a sandwich tonight. Wow. So the cafe's open, the front yard's open. Karaoke lounge, unfortunately, and the barbecue available at 4 inside the cafe. Oh, sweet God. What in the hell is going on? I don't drink, but I need a damn drink.